Hello everyone. This is Dawit with Mega Metallic channel. This is a brand new channel, and this is also my first video for the channel. And today, for my first video, I have decided to do tutorial on Fusion 360 CAD software. I got it online and I've been using it for a couple of months now, and I find it to be very easy and helpful, especially for those of you who have if you have your own personal project. It could be 3D printing or simple sketch that you want to do. It's very helpful and also user-friendly. And in addition to that, if you have used other CAD software such as SolidWorks, NX, Inventor, it's pretty much the same. You can easily get used to the program. And the best part is it's free. And now this I've been working on this one. It's a quick 3D modeling, and I'll just recreate this for you. Today's video will be some basic modeling. We're not gonna go in depth. It will give you the tools like how to get started using Fusion 360. And by the end of this video, I hope you'll learn at least how to navigate through the program. Alright, now I'll go ahead and design this. So I can do new design, and it was a box with a counter bore hole, and instead of sharp edges we used round edges. So we're gonna do the same thing here and try to redo what I've done. Right, before I go ahead and start, let me show you where things are. Those are the planes, top, front, right. It changes. If you want to see the top view of the model, you can click this tree. And also, if you click home button, it will take you to bird's eye view. I think bird's eye view, or when you have your model done, you will have isometric view. And this is origin. So the origin, you can see where the origin is, and you can hide. So, and out here we have sketch, extrude, revolve, all, and a pattern, rectangular. They might have a circular pattern, but that will be for next time. And we're going to be using fillet here. Yeah, they have a lot of things that we can use for different projects. And now let's go ahead and start by creating our sketch, and click. Well, first we want it on the top view, and so click sketch, and you can click anywhere on the top view, so like here, and you see the menu change to sketch, different sketch tools, sketching tools, like box, circle, spline, mirror, dimension, trim, fillet, offset. And on the right side we will have a box that has different options. Now this is a default options, so I'll leave it the same way because right now we don't need to change anything for this tutorial. And so after that we want a rectangle because we want to create box. We could use line as well, but it takes time. This is a faster way to do it. And in addition to that, we can select if we want to use a center rectangle or 3 points or 2 points. This 2 point and 3 point, it's good if we have like unknown points, but also we can use it anyway. But for center point, we know we can start at the origin and click on the origin and slide it diagonally in the diagonal direction, in any diagonal direction. And to get out of it, like we want it to be fixed to 1 point, we just click and the rectangle doesn't move anymore. So it's good to add dimension at this point, and we can click dimension here and click on the edge and slide it away from the edge. So here 3 millimeter, that's too small, so we will do 100. Whoops, too big for the screen. And then the other one is still the dimension is active, so we click on the edge and make that 80, enter. So at this point we're done with sketching. So if we're done, we can click finish or finish sketch here or up here. Otherwise we won't be able to see the other extrude or the other features outside of sketch. So we click on sketch, finish sketch, and we have extrude here. So we click on extrude. So I always like to see when I'm extruding something, a box or a round circle. So the best way to do it is set it to like I can click home so that I will have perspective, this perspective or isometric view. Then I click on extrude again and select the profile. I want this. So here I can do slide up. So you see, let me zoom out. And slide up like that, but always we need a height, right? So 6. There you go. We have a box here. So next we want to put a hole. So we have a hole. Click on the hole, and again another box comes here, and we have tips, all information. So we can do a single or multiple. So for our case we need a single, and here we select the face, top face, reference, we don't deal with this at this point, but for us we want counter bore. So here we have counter bore, simple hole, countersink. So there, and and also it's asking you if we want threaded. Alright, since I've already created, I don't want to do this one. Let's go ahead. Simple one. Let's create a simple one at this point. And so we have metric. Okay, here I'm gonna go ahead and pick 20, 60 is good, 30 is good. Okay, that looks nice. And press OK. Okay, let's check it out. Oops. Alright, that's good enough. And now the next step is adding the finish up work, such as round edges. So here is fillet. We click on it, and we can do a single one at a time or multiple edges at once. I think multiple edges at once is a faster way to do it. So I'll go ahead, select one edge, then press Command. If you're on Windows, you press Control and keep on pressing. For radius of the round edge, I pick 3 here. As you can see, it's safer. If you do sharp edge, it's dangerous. And now I press OK. It's done. And let's check out. Oh, one more thing. My previous 3D model, this hole was located at the center, but I forgot to put that at the center. So what I can do is now I can select, oops, let me exit out of this free orbit, otherwise it won't let me select the body, the box. Oh, there we go. So we can right click on it, then edit feature, then it gives us 3 features, saying there are 3 features. Which one do you want to work on? There. So we want whole one. So what we can do is just hold the top, this top face in the center of the hole here. We click on it, we just move it until it snaps, and see it has also, this is the center of, it's the origin. So the program automatically finds the center of the top face. So it snaps the hole right at the center. So let's do it again. Click, left click, then move. There. It snaps to the center. Then yeah, we can check it out. Click free orbit. Yeah, it looks like the hole, it looks like it's at the center. Alright, so this is how you create a simple model on Fusion 360. It's really easy, and in the future I will make some more complex videos on how to create and and come up with different techniques to create complicated shapes. And also I will also post different videos that are more engineering focused, specifically mechanical engineering, and I'll do more tutorials on different engineering subjects, including including exams such as EIT, so FE exam, tips and tricks, how to prepare for it. There is no shortcut, you have to prepare, but I'll post a video on how to prepare, how to study for the exam. Yeah, this is my first video. I hope you like it, and if you like it, if you think this is helpful, make sure to give me a thumbs up and to subscribe and to turn on your notification bell. And I hope this will be good and post more video in the future. And thanks for checking out my video. And again, my name is Dawit. Thank you, and I'll hope to see you next time. Bye bye.